Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to step into a world where retro charm meets modern luxury. Imagine a camper van that's not just designed for travel, but one that turns heads the moment it rolls into a room. That's right. We're taking a closer look at a retro-style micro-camper van parked not in the wilderness, but in a luxurious modern lobby. This isn't just any camper. It's a masterpiece, painted in pure glossy white, with rounded vintage curves that blend nostalgia and elegance. The polished marble floor beneath reflects every detail like a mirror, making the van look more like a showpiece than a vehicle. Solar panels on the roof hint at modern sustainability, while soft curtains in the windows add a touch of homeliness. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space that feels like stepping into a cloud. White cushioned car-style seats, crafted with smooth leather, give you the comfort of a luxury car, but in a compact camper form. The cabinets, also finished in white, are neatly built into the design, making sure every inch is functional without losing its minimal aesthetic. What makes this setup special isn't just the interior or the technology, it's the atmosphere. Warm, ambient yellow lighting bounces off the white panels, creating a cozy glow that feels like home while still carrying a premium, high-end vibe. This is more than a camper. It's a lifestyle statement, the perfect blend of retro design and modern sophistication. Picture yourself sitting here after a long day of travel, enjoying comfort that rivals a luxury lounge, yet all within a tiny mobile home. Whether you're parked in the city or out in the wild, this van makes sure you travel in style without compromising on comfort or elegance. So here's the big question. Would you take this camper on the road, or would you park it as a centerpiece of your home? Let me know in the comments below, because I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's talk about the price. This retro-style, all-white micro-camper van, with its luxury car-type seats, solar panels, and custom interior finishes, is estimated to fall in the range of $28,000 to $35,000, depending on customization and features. While it's not the cheapest option out there, what you're really paying for is the unique blend of vintage charm, modern tech, and luxury comfort. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more unique builds like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.